Okay, the nested functions inside the if function. So we're going to put a sum function inside the if function for this example in Excel Project 5. So what it's asking is it wants us to add up all of the tests, and if they add up and they are greater than 359, we're going to put a yes, and if they're not greater than 359, we're going to put a no. And so real simple, we're going to start out with an equals and an if, and we open that up, and our logic test is going to be that sum function. So we write in sum, open up our tab, and we simply tell it what to sum. So I like to just drag my mouse across those calculations that I want it to sum and close that parentheses, and we still have to tell it what do we need this to be greater than, and we said it needed to be greater than 359. So I say greater than and type in 359. Here's my logic test. So if this logic test is true, so we put a comma, and if it's true, we want to return a value of yes, and we put that in quotations, and the yes needs to be in all caps. And if it's not true, quotation, we enter no. Don't forget to close out the parentheses around that. Hit enter, and let's see if we've got something that is very usable. We only had one yes. I think that is what the answer should be. If you have any questions about this, send me an email, keboatman@actx.edu.